In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass email in Zoho. We'll walk through selecting your contacts, choosing or creating a polished email template, and sending it safely and confidently, all inside Zoho CRM. First, sign into Zoho CRM and land on your homepage. From the top navigation, open the Contacts module. It's a good idea to filter or switch to the view that contains exactly the people you want to reach. This keeps your message targeted and helps you stay within any daily send limits or compliance rules. Make sure everyone you're emailing has given consent. Zoho will automatically suppress unsubscribed and bounced addresses, but it's always best practice to verify your list. In your contacts list, use the master checkbox at the top left of the table to select your records. This highlights all contacts shown in your current view. If Zoho prompts you to select all records in the view, confirm that if you intend to email everyone in that filtered list. With your contacts selected, look for the Send Email option above the table and click it. This opens the mass email window where you'll choose the content for your message. Next, you'll select a template. If you already have a template ready, you can pick it right away. If not, choose the option to create a template. In the template gallery, you can start from a blank layout to build from scratch, or choose one of the existing designs to modify. Selecting blank gives you a clean canvas. Selecting a pre-built layout lets you quickly adjust colors, text, or images to match your brand. Inside the template editor, start by giving your template a clear internal name so your team can find it later. Then add a concise subject line that sets the right expectation and encourages opens. Keep it specific, avoid spammy wording, and consider using merge fields for personalization, like greeting your contact by first name. In the body of the email, keep paragraphs short. Use a single primary call to action and make sure any images have descriptive alt text. If you rely on links, make them obvious and test that they point to the correct destination. When your content looks good, click Save and then confirm with Save Now to store the template. You'll be prompted to place the template in a folder. Choose the folder that fits your organization's structure so it's easy to find later, and confirm Save. Organizing templates pays off when multiple people are sending campaigns. Head back to your mass email screen. If you don't immediately see the new template in the list, refresh so the latest changes appear. Now select the template you just created. Confirm that your subject, personalization, and layout render the way you expect. When everything is set, click Send. Zoho will queue the email to all the contacts you selected. Depending on your edition and email limits, large sends may process in batches. After sending, you can monitor delivery, opens, clicks, and bounces from your email analytics inside the CRM. Use those insights to refine your subject lines and content for next time. That's it. You navigated to contacts, selected your recipients, opened the send email window, created and saved a reusable template, refreshed to load it, chose it for your campaign, and sent your message to the right audience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you send your next mass email in Zoho.